In this video, I will show you how to set up an automatic email notification. This can be found if you're an administrator. You will find this under Administration and Integrations and Emails. If you're using a customer account or any other account, you may find it under System and Integrations and Emails. We are at this page, so then the next thing that you will do is click this button, New Integration or Email. And the first bunch of items in the list are our integrations to different sorts of platforms. And then you come to the emails. And here you have every email or standard email on stock balances, on orders and other. We are going to use this one, email when stock balance falls below article reorder point. So you can, on your articles, you can set reorder points, and whenever your inventory for that article falls below that point, you will have an automatic email sent out. This is the one I'm going to show you. I'm going to use my email here. So this is more or less the only thing that you have to put in and what time and so. I'm going to choose this goods owner that I have for all article groups, and just to show you should attach Excel. Yes, and this is if you have a supplier article number, you'll get an extra column with this. So I'll check that, and I will send out the email dispatch daily, weekly or monthly, and I'm going to do it in a couple of minutes from now. So something like that. And then you simply click create. Close the dialog, and then you have to set your reorder points for articles that you want to have an email notification for. I'm going to do it for this, the first one. I'm going to have the reorder point set to 100 and the mean reorder quantity set to 200. This will just show up in the email, a suggestion for how much you should reorder, but it's this one that will trigger the actual email. Click update, and then you see I have brought about a column here called reorder point, and you do that with the settings cog down here, and you see that the reorder point for this article is 100. Let's do one more article. So I'll do this one. I'll do a reorder point of 100 there as well. You saw that my stock quantity was 50 currently on my inventory. And I will do that 50 mean reorder quantity. Click update. And here you see the two reorder points, and here I have already 50 in that for that article. And here is my reorder point email sent out at the time that I chose, and it will come daily because that is what I chose. And here you see some information. Here's the checkbox for supplier article number that I checked in that I don't have for these articles. And here you see the reorder point, the current stock balance, and then the stock balance, the sellable quantity, because we have a couple of items booked. I have orders in for this goods owner as well. The advised column here shows what is advised to come into the warehouse through the purchase orders that we have in the system. And attached is also an Excel that contains the same information. If you by any chance want other columns in this email, you can contact your ongoing representative. You can in fact get almost all email notifications that you want for any type of information that you can search for in ongoing. To repeat now, to set up an email dispatch, you go to administration, integrations and emails, and you click this button and you go down to in the list until you come to emails. And once again, if there is anything that you cannot find here but that you want, you can contact your ongoing representative and he or she will help you. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.